It is day one of camping. I woke up with my eye hurting. The ducks are doing just fine. Ain't that right, duckies? And also, somebody stole a trash can today. And we think we found the culprit. It was a raccoon. Plain prints right there. It's a very exhausting morning. Nothing much to do here. There's some paths in the woods, and we saw a hunting cabin or something out there somewhere. Okay, right there. And I might go exploring in the woods next time. Should be rain tomorrow, which is nice. Don't mind the commotion in the background. As you can see, I woke up terrible this morning. Go and look around in that hollow space because it looked like something was living there. So, yeah. I'll get back to you on day 2. Bye.